Hi everyone, welcome back. So as I may have said in a previous video, I am kind of behind with everything. So I actually have two Simon Says card kits that I have not unboxed on film for you yet. The second one, which is is this the December? I think this is the December one, this is November. And yeah, I haven't got that far. So I thought actually I'm going to unbox both of them on the same video for you, and hopefully the next few videos you'll actually see some work done on them. So this is the November one. So excuse me for being behind on everything. So I've taken everything out of the packaging that it comes in, just so that you can see, and we can just rummage through it. So you get candy as always. In this one you do get a glossy accents, which is always handy for 3D shiny things. That's very, very cool. You also get a distress paint in tarnished brass. It's a Tim Holtz product, and it's very cool. I've used these before. I have quite a few paints, but not the tarnished ones. You also get a distress glitter in tinsel, and I'm very excited about this one for some reason. I just think it's so cool. So you get that. I'll just take these bits out for now. Then you get a set of 4 Simon Says positively saturated inks, and these are in honey, cabbage, sangria, that sounds nice, doesn't it, and petunia. So the idea, I think, is that these colours are all very autumnal, which is what the kit focuses on. So we have that. The 2 stamp sets that you get, you'd also get a little paintbrush. It is a range of paintbrush that you can use with your paint, and you can use it to splatter and stuff like that. Splatter, spatter, whichever. You get 2 stamp sets in this. This is a CC Designs Thanks stamp set, and there's loads of different greetings that go with the main 4 thanks in different fonts, and sort of like add-ons, if you know what I mean, like thanks a million, thanks for everything, thanks so very much, that sort of thing. So this is called Small Thanks. And then this one is a Simon Says Counting Blessings stamp set, and it's just very sweet. It's got a lot of sentiments that are obviously Thanksgiving focused. I don't celebrate Thanksgiving just because I'm not in that country, so it's not a tradition here, but I think there's always something to be thankful for, and I think that goes across the board for everybody. But I really like this wheat. I think this is very pretty. You could do this in different colours and just make it look like a totally different plant, if you know what I mean. And then there's lots of things, like there's bigger ones called Love and Blessings, Grateful, Happy Thanksgiving, that sort of thing. And yeah, Counting Blessings. So 2 stamp sets. And then we also have a combo here, which is very cool. There is the the red maple, I read the die, the red maple dies, and this has the word thanks, the maple leaf, and the like shadow for the thanks. So the other thing I noticed when I was watching some other videos on this is that when you cut out the thanks, it actually cuts out an outline as well as the inner bits. So you could do 3 different colours. Nice. Anyway, and then the red maple stencil to help layer up and give you this sort of effect with the 3 different colours. And you could use your inks here to do that. Very cool. Very cool. Then I believe these are Tim Holtz. Let me double check. 6x9, no. These are Crafts Consortium 10 double-sided metal textures 6x6 papers. So these are meant to look like metal, as it suggests, from Craft Consortium. So this is very cool. This is very Tim Holtz, which is why I thought this was a Tim Holtz thing. Oh, that's nice. Well, I like that one. So it's meant to look like oxidized metal. So yeah, hence why I thought maybe it was a Timmy thing, but no. I remember that stuff. So very cool. That almost looks like an animal. Do you know what I mean? Skin. This is a Tim Holtz thing. This is a, I had it a minute ago. Oh, the Tim Holtz Ideology metallic cardstock. This is kind of a yellow gold maybe, or just a nice gold. But it's also the craft on the back. So if you embossed a piece of this and then sanded the top, cool effect, just saying. Then you get some ideas and inspiration, of course. And then there's two. I can't do maths today. This is the Simon Says, no, is this Simon? Yes, it is. Simon Says ivory cardstock and their rainforest cardstock, which is a really nice colour. I like that. I really like it. I like it a lot. So that is the November 2025 card kit, and it's called Give Thanks. And so I will just move on to December's. No? Yes? I don't know what day I'm on, guys. So December's one, if it will stay, and this is only just, oh, get rid of my watch, just sort of come in. Candy, of course. In here, oh, this is exciting, you get a Ranger texture paste in opaque matte. Oh, my camera will focus. So that's great for textures, any textures you want to add. You can add this as kind of like flocking, like fake snow on trees and leaves and things. And then there's the Simon Says stamp Positively Perfect Gold Splatter Medium. I've got the white one, but this is the gold. Nice. Nice, nice. And I'm rushing through this because my camera's about to die. You always get like a little doofer like this in your package. I just didn't take that one out. There's a little stencil. You can't really see it. It's called Bright Christmas Rooftops, and basically it's little rooftops that go with, if I show you, your stamp set. So the stamp set, may as well do this now, is Bright Christmas, and so the stencil will actually fit over the top of all these little rooftops. So it's a little stencil, but you can put the texture paste then, or glitter, or whatever you want over that. How cool is that? But look at that for a cool stamp set as well. Very grungy. There's 2 cards just like that. You can do it in different colours. You can add a couple of sentiments. Done. Nice. Nice. Then we have, this is Simon's Pine and Post, say that 3 times fast, Pine and Post gift card envelope. And these are what the dies create. So this is actually, for me, this is quite a big die set to get in a card kit, but I was really chuffed with it, and I'm so happy. It's very nice. And this die will fit on these I believe are Tim Holtz papers. These are, I think they're like 6 by 5 or something, 5.5 by 6 or something like that. And so these are all Timmy papers. And the die will fit in that section, so you could make them out of these papers. You can put gift cards in it, you can just put little note cards in it, whatever you want. So far I think these are all different. Oh, that's cool. So far I think, yeah, they're all different, so that's really nice. I like that. Oh, I like that. So they're all different, I think. Yeah, I think we're still on the difference. I know I'm flicking through them kind of quickly, but oh, that's cool. I like wrapping papers. I like all the printed things, you know, like old newspapers or whatever. Oh, nice. See, can you tell I've not looked at this yet? So, that's cute. Oh, that on the back. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. Oh. Oh, so lots and lots of papers, loads. Imagine how many. I mean, you can make all of those. I don't know how many there are, but anyway. And then you also get a whole, like the whole thing, sticker book. And this is a Timmy sticker book, Christmas Ideology. I have, I think, probably not this one, the one or two before this. Oh my gosh, I'm still using it. These stickers, yeah. Where are they? These ones go on for years, right? I've not made enough projects to use all of them. But yeah, there's a lovely variety of different little stickers. You can use these on presents at Christmas time, little stickers on envelopes, or in your journals. Some more stickers you can make into like sentiments on a card. The sticker, these ones, I love these. These are my favourite kind in here of all of them. I just love it. So you get a whole book of that. And then, let's see, what papers did we get? I can't remember off the top of my head. So we have, let's see, you have Nina, sheet of Nina cardstock, and which is like Desert Storm. That's the colour. Kind of looks like gingerbread. You get Emerald, which is this one, and I think the other one is Ivory. Yeah, Ivory heavy stock. So you can make a card basis out of that. It's really nice. So if I didn't say at the beginning, this kit, so this was December's. It's called, these are your ideas as well, called Bright Christmas, and it's beautiful. And seeing as we're in December, I should probably really make something with these. But yes, that's my life. So I hope you've enjoyed a double unboxing, and yeah, I'm gonna have to get down to business with this and actually make some stuff. So yeah, in the coming year I think I'm actually going to just carry on making Halloween and Christmas stuff because, well, I love it. So even in the middle of spring, who cares? So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and the other one for November. Sorry they're late, but that's life. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Yeah, let's see what I can come up with for all these things. So, and catch up with myself, that'd be nice. So until next time guys, bye for now, and Merry Christmas.